Good day, everyone. First and foremost, allow us to introduce ourselves. I am Mabel Caraan.
I am Kayla Morales.
I am Dian Maranan.
I am Marcos Sanchez.
I'm Gael Portugal.
And Judiel Angelo Santiago of Group 4.
Today, we are here to talk about our design methodology for the Nagasaki family's requested project. For the introduction, the Nagasaki family decided to fly back home and settle for good in Davao, where they plan to build a house. The Nagasaki family also requested a house with a Japanese restaurant and an organic farm.
In a busy street of Davao, Sarah was able to inherit a through lot from her father with a measure of 5 by 15 meters and 3 meters setback to each side of the road. There lies an ancestral tree at the middle of the site, 2 meters from the east road and 1 meter on the south.
A nice usually came from a 2-story building on south, a 3-story building on the north, and the major road on the east. The sun normally rises in the east and sets in the west, where the inner road occupied by apartments and boarding houses near university are located.
A thorough site analysis helps us determine whether the development will adopt the best design that responds to the physical and environmental aspects of the site. This allows us to take a more technological approach in designing the project.
Context analysis. The design process is based on the traditional and modern Japanese architecture, which values sustainability and deep connections to nature.
Behind the design. The urban house with Restofarm was designed to suit the needs of the Nagasaki family, whose focus is on their ikigai, which is their way of life that helps them find the balance between work and life.
Architectural solutions. Main problem of the project. Design application of ikigai in both living and working life of the family. Access to the natural light, wind, and nature. Relationship in a high-density environment.
Architectural solutions to the problem. Incorporate the family's passion in the spaces of the house that make the family productive in their life and work. Applying revolving door or window system, natural ventilation, and green space. Make the space more efficient and cost-effective.
Key features of the project. The revolving door or window system, pergola roof, and the open floor plans.
Relevance of the features and solutions to the topic. The revolving door or window system. This system allows the building to have access to natural light, wind, and nature. Pergola roof. To protect the family from harsh weather conditions on the rooftop urban farm. And open floor plans. This allows the family to have more social interaction, open a line of sight to children, and increase views and natural light.
Innovation mix. What minor elements are added to the project that makes it more valuable? The open floor plan allows sharing of one large space, which makes it easily accessible to all members of the family.
What elements are removed from the project compared to the traditional or basic elements of the same building typology? Flooring is mostly made out of wood or tatami instead of carpet or tiles. Traditional wooden windows or doors are used instead of typical window framings.
What major ideas were combined that led to the architectural solution of the project? Below are the major ideas that led to the revolving door or window system, open floor planning, and natural ventilation in the project. These are ikigai, sense of space, and access to natural light and wind.
What are the assets, strengths, and opportunities of the project that maximizes the solution? The project emphasizes the open floor plan that helps increase light, which provides sunlight with an easier way to travel and helps connect indoor spaces with outdoor and make the room feel bigger.
How does the solution rethink or redesign compare to a traditional building? Compared to a traditional building, the redesign takes advantage of new technologically advanced materials while maintaining the culture and beliefs of the people living in the house.
thorough site analysis helps us determine whether the development will adopt the best design that responds to the physical and environmental aspects of the site. We then estimate which parts have a negative impact on the site or suggested design, and which conditions have a positive impact. This allows us to take a more technological approach in evaluating the data and designing the project.
Natural light as the primary source of daytime lighting creates a visually and thermally comfortable environment connected to outdoor events and consistently maximizes electric lighting energy savings while minimizing peak energy demand. The project's location and area should allow the wind to flow through while also allow the natural light to shine through without overheating.
Applying a revolving door or window system, natural ventilation, and green space make the space more efficient and cost-effective. Revolving doors reduce the amount of dust, mud, and debris that enters the building from outside. When compared to standard sliding or hinge doors, revolving doors provide a greater control over the interior environment.
In a typical hall application, revolving doors require less square footage on the interior of a building than swing and sliding doors. In colder climates, the difference can be significant. Even a brief opening of a sliding door allows a significant amount of heat to escape, raising heating costs for the entire structure. This does not occur with a rotating door because there is never a point at which air can freely move between the condition, which is inside, and unconditioned outside.